Hey y'all, in this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this realistic, natural sew-in with leave out. If you're interested, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we're going to jump straight into it. As you guys can see, my hair, you know what? You definitely want to wash your hair before you start this process. I don't think I washed my hair, but anyways, I'm showing you the area I parted out for leave out. So I did part out and braid down a section in the front and in the middle. And then I started by sewing down a perimeter braid around my leave out. So that is the braid that you're seeing now. That's like the perimeter braid around my leave out. And then after that, I'm just showing y'all like the rest of the braids went straight to the back, okay? Because I suck at braiding. Well, I don't suck at braiding, but the braiding, the braids look kind of raggedy, y'all. So I decided to sew down that extra braid in the back, and I decided to use a hairnet. So if you suck at braiding down your own hair, you definitely want to use a hairnet, because that's going to keep the tracks, the bundles in place. So pretty much I'm just stitching down the hairnet using the perimeter braid, the braid that's around the leave out. So pretty much I'm just stitching down this net to my head, and I'm gonna come back and let you guys see what it looks like, and then we're gonna start sewing. Alright y'all, so now that the net is sewed down all around my head, I'm taking some scissors and I'm cutting off the extra net because that's tacky and you don't need that. Like, get rid of what you don't need, right? So then, what's next? Oh, what's next? All of my leave out, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out my leave out. Now, you don't have to do this right away, but I decided to do it right away because later that day, I had to go to a gender reveal, and literally the gender reveal was like 3 hours away. So I wanted to make sure that my natural hair was going to blend in with the bundles. So I decided to go ahead and do a 2-strand twist right away. So I'm using a mist spray bottle. If you guys do not have a mist spray bottle, it's on my website. Get you one now. It's super affordable and it ship out the same day. But anyways, let me stop plugging myself because y'all gonna click off the video if I keep advertising myself. So anyways, I'm using like some homemade body butter, hair butter, whatever. And I'm putting that on my leave out, and I'm just doing a 2-strand twist. So I'm just gonna do that all over the front of my head. Yeah, I'm gonna do the 2-strand twist because that is what's gonna allow the hair to really blend in with the bundles, okay? Alright, so the hair I'm using today comes from my hair collection. So I'm using the Mongolian Afro Kinky Curly Bundles in the inch 20 inches. So I'm only using 2 bundles, y'all. 2 bundles. The link will be in the description box as well as a coupon code. So definitely, if this is some hair you guys are interested in trying, go ahead and try, okay? Anyway, so I'm clipping my 2-strand twist out the way. I'm showing y'all what it's looking like, and now I'm about to start sewing. So I always take my needle and thread and stick it straight through the weft. And then I go back and do it again. So that's what I always do at the start or the beginning of the track. And then basically, like, we start stitching. It's been so long since I did a sew-in, y'all. So y'all gotta... Oh, snap, my alarm going off. Hold on. Ooh, That's so ghetto. All right, anyways, so it's been a long time since I did my own sew in. Like this is my first sew in like a year or two. Um, so yeah, so I'm just literally just, I'm doing like a little loop and pull through, all the way across. And when I do get to the end, I do the flip over method because this ain't a wig, this ain't a quick weave. We don't have to slice and dice our bundles. So I'm just simply just flipping it over. It was a little struggle at first. Like I said, it was my first time. It's my first time in a while doing a sew in. So, I just flipped it over and then just started back stitching. As y'all can see, I stitched it right there in that area a few times. The hair kind of got caught up. I had to pull the hair out. But after this, it did get easier, y'all. I promise. It's not as, hopefully I'm not making it look like it was difficult to do because it was a really easy install. The install took like 2 hours in total. So yeah, so I just flipped it over, started stitching all the way across, and I just did that all over my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the music start that playing. And yeah. Alright guys, so I know I wasn't doing too much explaining, but pretty much I installed the hair going in a U shape or a U pattern. And this is what it looks like after the complete two bundles are stitched in. So I did a U pattern all the way up to the top around my leave out. Now I'm just making sure everything's nice and covered. You got to get you a mirror so you can look and see, make sure you ain't miss no spots. So, so basically, right now I'm just playing around with it, seeing how I want to wear it. So I am going to wear it like over to the side a little bit. I am going to take some shears and try to like, add a few layers into the hair so it doesn't, when you add layers to the hair, it actually gives the hair more volume or more shape, more body. Like it really make the hair look like something. So I definitely advise that, you add you a little bit of layers in there. I ain't do nothing too extra, anything. As you can see, like I just pulled it to the side. Um, and took off, a little bit, that's it. And then what do I do next? I don't know. I can't remember. Okay, I remember. So I think I had a little extra time on my hands. So what I did, I sectioned out some of the actual bundles in the front. I spritzed them with the mist spray bottle, and I decided to do two strand twists. That way, like the front of the Afro Kinky curly hair will definitely blend in with my hair because I'm doing two strand twists with both. So I'm just twisting it up the same way I did my natural hair, and I'm just gonna do that like all over the front. So y'all gonna kill me. Okay. don't. I'm gonna make a second video. But anyways, before y'all click off, all I did, I took my spray bottle and I brushed through the hair to get it nice and defined while I let the 2-strand twist sit. And then after I let the 2-strand twist sit, like the camera went dead. So y'all didn't get to see me take down the 2-strand twist. But I promise you, I kid you not, all I did was unravel the 2-strand twist. And then like on my left side or my right side, whatever side it was, I used like some edge control to kind of like lay down my edges a little bit. And then it was like, bam, we got the final look. So, if y'all want to see a video of how I styled this hair, or if y'all want me to show exactly how I did the 2-strand twist and unraveled them, then comment down below. I will definitely show you guys exactly how I did that. Also, I'm thinking about doing a video on how to wash your sew-ins and like different styles that you can do with this hair. So if that's something y'all interested in, leave a comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.